Hey YouTube, it's your girl Queen K here again with another video, and today's video is going to be about how I accomplished these very cute, soft, light, and distressed Boho looking soft locks. So definitely stay tuned to see how I accomplished this gorgeous look. Okay guys, so as you can see, the first step of getting this style was to braid my own real hair into single braids, and I based the parts on how thick I wanted the locks to actually be to determine the part size. So once I got in my mind what type of size locks I wanted, I knew what type of parts size I want, if that makes sense to you guys. But yeah, this is probably easy for everybody if you can, as long as you can do single braids. I'm just braiding your own hair down. You don't have to braid it all the way to the end because your hair is going to be wrapped up, but you do want to braid it down a good bit so it wouldn't be interfering into the hair when you start to wrap the hair. So yeah, stay tuned to see the next step. Okay guys, so I finally finished all braiding my entire hair into small braids. So now you're going to see me crochet the soft lock that I purchased into each braid, and I got the locks from Amazon, and I'll have all the information as well as the link to where to get it to for this particular vendor in the description box below. I love the hair. I have no complaints about it at all. It was super soft, so it made it light and it wasn't as heavy, so that's one of the pluses that I did love about the hair. And of course it didn't give any tangles because it was already in lock form, but it also didn't unravel, so that's also a good thing about it. So once I crochet the hair into my braid, you will see me start to wrap with some molly here, and I also have that here information in the description box below as well as the link if you guys are interested in getting it. But once I get the molly here, I just start at the beginning to my scalp and start wrapping it about 3 to 4 times in that same spot, just so it can make sure it's covering up everything at the top at the scalp. And then I just start wrapping going downwards for about 1 inch or 2, and then I stick my thumb in between the molly here to pull some out so I can get that distressed boho look that you guys know I love. I love the messy look. I feel like it looks more realistic, so I always try to get it if I can in any hairstyle. So that's what you're seeing, and basically I do this until I run out of the Remy here and making sure my hair is fully covered up in the process. So it took me about 2 days to do this, so you will see me transition into a different shirt. I feel like because of the length, which was, it came up to my butt, and I only bought a 20-inch locks, but because I'm wrapping it, it stretches the hair, so it makes the length longer. So if you guys, disclaimer, if you do buy this and you do this hairstyle, please make sure that you understand that the size and the length that it comes in is not going to be that size and length once you start wrapping the hair. So just get that in mind, that it is going to be a little longer if you're wrapping around those soft locks. So I feel like because of the time of the length, of the hair, as well as how many braids I had, which I had about 30 to 40 braids in my hair. It took a longer time to do, but it lasted for about 40 to 45 days. And the older that it got, the more I fell in love with it. I feel like it looked more natural. The older it got, because it got a little fuzzy here and there, which I loved. And then the boho look that I already had made it just look so much even more better. So I definitely love this hairstyle. But the time that it took to get it was a little longer than normal. But hey, the pain and that you deal with to be beautiful. So I'll let you guys continue to watch. I did show you a couple of more times how I did the soft locks. So definitely stay tuned to check those out, and I'll be back at the end. All right, guys. So if you stayed to the end, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am on my final and last braid. You don't understand how happy your girl was when she finished. That's why my face looked so stuck. I was exhausted and tired and was just ready to go, but I was so happy that I finally finished. Like I said before, the hair was super light. It was a total of about 30 to 40 braids, and I loved this hairstyle. Super soft, super easy to maintain. Just oil your scalp. You didn't have to do anything else outside of that. And yeah, it was just cute. I really loved it. So like I always do, I want to thank you guys for staying to the very end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let your girl know how she's doing. See you next time.